Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this triple arrow illusion. First, set the stroke to none and apply a light color of your choice to the fill. Next, select the polygon tool and draw a small polygon. Let's rotate it by 90 degrees. Swap the fill and the stroke. Next, switch to the pen tool and draw a line from the center to one of the corner anchor points. Click away to deselect. Switch to the selection tool and select the line. Next, enable the rotate tool, and while you are holding down the Alt key, click in the center of the polygon to set the rotation point. Change the angle to 60 degrees and then click copy. Now press the Ctrl and D keys on your keyboard 4 times to create more copies. Select everything and then go to Pathfinder and choose Divide. Next, go to View and confirm that Smart Guides are enabled. Now create a copy. Make sure the 2 polygons are aligned along their adjacent sides. Press Ctrl D to create one more copy. Select everything, create a copy, and align with the top shapes. Now select everything and create one more copy. Let's swap the fill and the stroke. Click away to deselect and then switch to the pen tool. Now draw a straight line from this anchor point to this intersection. Click away to deselect. Switch to the selection tool and select the line. Press the letter R to activate the rotate tool. While you are holding down the Alt key, click on this anchor point to set the rotation point. Set the angle to 120 degrees and then click copy. Now press Ctrl D to create one more copy. Select everything and then go to the Shape Builder tool. Choose a different color and now connect these shapes together to create an arrow. Let's create another arrow here. And one more down below. Change the color again and create these shapes. Choose another color and connect these shapes together. And again. Click away to deselect. Using the Magic Wand tool, select the orange stroke. Now press the Delete key on your keyboard. Select everything and change the stroke to white. Select the fill and change it to black. Bring the stroke to the front and then open the stroke window. Increase the weight to 5 points and set the corner option to round join. Let's group everything together and align it to the center of the artboard. If you wish, create a background. Set the stroke to none, be sure the fill is on top, select any color from the swatches window, switch to the rectangle tool, then draw a rectangle that covers the entire artboard, and finally right-click on it, choose Arrange, and send to back. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.